If you haven't heard about a tankless water heater, watch out. It's coming all across America. A lot of new homes are being installed with tankless water heaters. It's already very popular in Asia and in Europe. A tankless water heater is essentially an on-demand water heater, meaning it only heats up the water when you need it. Tankless water heaters come in electric tankless water heaters and gas burning water heaters. Now in the US, most of the time people who have gas can save a little bit of money on energy usage if you're using a tankless. An electric tankless water heater for your whole house is often not installed because it costs a lot of money to heat it up. In other parts of the world, electric tankless water heaters are installed just to heat up water for the shower or just for one faucet or one fixture. How does a tankless water heater work? Well, inside your unit, you have a heat exchanger. Basically, it takes heat from either an electric element or a gas burner, and it will heat up your water once it senses one of your hot water faucets turn on. Why would you want to consider a tankless water heater? Well, first off, it saves a ton of space. Secondly, you may save a little bit of energy each month, but not too much. But the greatest advantage to a tankless water heater is that you essentially have an endless supply of hot water. There's no tank that drains down where you can run out of hot water. It continuously heats up the hot water as you use it. How does a tankless water heater save energy? Well, in a traditional tank water heater, you have a huge reservoir of water, a tank of water that gets heated up, and then it sits there waiting for you to use it. And as it's sitting there, it cools off and then the burner turns on, so it uses energy to keep this tank or reservoir of water warm or hot. In a tankless water heater, the burners or the heat elements only turn on when you use the hot water. So you're not paying for water to just sit there to stay warm. When it comes to tankless water heaters, there are several myths that are circulating. I'm here to dispel them. Myth number 1, tankless water heaters do not provide instant hot water. Of course, when you turn on the faucet, it instantly starts heating the water. But the reason why it takes so long for your shower to get hot is because the hot water in the pipes take time to travel up to your shower. If you want instant hot water, what you need is a circ pump or a recirculation pump. Myth number 2, tankless water heaters will save you money? No. Although tankless water heaters will save you $10 to $20 in your energy bill every month, the upfront installation cost is usually so high that it kind of cancels each other out. So sorry, tankless water heaters will not help you save money. The third tankless water heater myth is that it's going to provide you with infinite amounts of hot water. Well, the tankless water heater will certainly give you an endless supply of hot water. It continuously heats up hot water as you need it, but that supply has its limits. When you get your new tankless water heater, it will be rated for a certain amount of gallons per minute that it can deliver to you. This is called its output. It could be 3, 4, 5 gallons per minute. But if you're running your shower, you're doing a hot water cycle in your washing machine, and you're running the dishwasher, your tankless water heater might run out of capacity and it won't be able to keep up with your demand. If you want to convert from a tank to a tankless water heater, the first thing you'll need to consider is whether or not you need to upgrade your gas meter. This involves calculating how much your gas meter is rated for and adding together your gas usage in the house. So you're gonna add together the BTUs used by your fireplace, your gas dryer, the new tankless water heater, and see if your gas meter can accommodate that. Secondly, you will need to install 2 new vent pipes There's an intake line that draws in fresh air from the outside to your unit, and the outtake line, which takes the exhaust gases out away from your house. Thirdly, you'll need to run a new section of water line and a new section of gas pipe to where your new unit will be placed. Fourthly, you're going to need a 120 volt outlet. And lastly, you will need a condensate line and a place for that condensation moisture to go to. So that's either going to be a sump pump pit or a floor drain. All of this will be factored into your quote for installing a tankless water heater, and that's why installation can cost several $1,000s on top of the price of the unit. It's a full day job for a skilled plumber.
Hi, I'm Eddie from Howe Plumbing, and if you like this video, please subscribe. And also, if you need some online consultation, we offer virtual plumbing, and you can contact us through our website, howeplumbingdmv.com, and get in touch with the master plumber if you need a little bit of help working through your issue and you need some professional advice.